Hello and welcome to What's New in AutoCAD 2021. We're going to be having a quick look at the quick measure command. There's been some additional functionality added for this release. So if we go to measure, as before in the previous release, as we hover over, we'll see the dimensions, whether it be radius, diameter, etc. And now, if we want to select the area of an object, we can simply click inside, it'll find the boundaries, and it will display the area and the perimeter length. So that's just doing a single profile there. If we want to, for example, have the area of this component or this cutout, we can just click inside it. It will give us the area for each of these boundary points. But also, if we hold down the Shift key, we can select multiple boundaries. And again, we can select our whole component, and you'll see that the area is being displayed. So a little bit of extra functionality that would be very, very useful. Thank you very much.